Hello, friends, and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Amanda, and I work at the Lincoln County Public Library. I am so excited that you are joining us today because today we are going to talk about birds. Do you see a bird right here behind me? Yeah, that's a really cool bird called a cardinal. If you go outside or if you look outside, you might see a red bird flying around. And if you do, there's a good chance that it's one of these friends, a cardinal. Very cool. All right, we are going to clap and say hello. Are you ready? We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and say hello. Good morning and hello. It is so good to read stories with you guys today. Are you ready to read our first story? All right, we are going to say goodbye to the cardinal right now, but we will see him when we're all done reading stories, okay? All right, bye, Cardinal. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, here we are at the library, and we are going to read our book of the month. This is Everyone Loves Olaf. And if you have this book, you can read along with me if you'd like to. If you don't have this book, make sure that you stop by the library and pick up your February Online Storytime Kit because you get to keep this book. All right, here we go. Everyone loves Olaf. Elsa makes great swirls of ice with her special magic powers. She makes a snowman friend named Olaf. They laugh and play for hours. So look, Elsa made a snowman friend named Olaf. And if you have the book at home, it's a touch and feel book, and you can feel how fuzzy Olaf is. Elsa's sister Anna loves to go skating on the ice. She and Olaf draw figure eights by making circles twice. Twice means two times. They're going to make two circles. One circle and two circles. And when you put two circles one on top of each other, it looks like the number 8. Very cool. Kristoff, Olaf, and some trolls are playing hide and seek. Olaf has to count to 10, trying not to peek. Olaf is covering his eyes and he's going to count to 10. Can you help Olaf count to 10? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Thank you for helping Olaf count to 10. Sven follows Olaf to and fro everywhere he goes. He likes his snow friend very much, especially his nose. Look, there's Olaf and there's Olaf's nose. And what is Olaf's nose made out of? Yeah, he has a carrot for a nose. He does. And there's Sven. And I think Sven is going to try to take a nibble out of Olaf's nose. Oh, no. And if you have this book at home, you can feel that Sven is very soft. Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and Sven don't want this book to end. They always have the greatest time with Olaf, their best friend. Let's see how many friends we have. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 friends. Very cool. And look, what is Elsa making? Yeah, she's making snow. We've had a lot of snow recently. Have you guys gotten to play in the snow? Yeah, it was a lot of fun. All right, we are going to sing our love song because all February long, we are reading Everyone Loves Olaf and learning how to spell the word love. All right, are you ready? Love, Love. I can spell love. I can spell love. I love my friends and family. I love my friends and family. Love. Love. Good job. Good job. That was wonderful. All right. Today's activity is all about birds. So we are going to read a bird book. This book is called Birds, Birds, Birds. And look what's on the cover. Let's see how many birds we can count. 1, 2, 3. Very cool. And Kevin Hinkies wrote this book. So we are going to sing our author song. Are you ready? The author writes the words, the author writes the words. Hi ho, did you know the author writes the words? Good job. The author wrote all the words in this book. All right. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Look, there's a bird, and that bird is singing. Yeah. Have you ever heard a bird sing before? Yeah. Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or even green, I think. Look, this one is red. That's like our cardinal friend that we saw at the beginning. Yeah, and this one's blue. And this one is, what color is that? Yellow and brown and green. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shape. We call this a silhouette. Birds can be big or little or any size in between. This one is very big. That's a flamingo. And this one is very little. That is a hummingbird. This is one of Miss Amanda's favorite kinds of birds. That's an owl. You know what an owl says? He says, hoo, 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 hoo. Can you try to hoot like an owl? Hoo, 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 hoo. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and then they didn't move, and then they were all gone. Sometimes birds can be fast. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. Look how pretty that is. The sky would be filled with swirls of color. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this or this. Sometimes I think clouds do look like birds. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Do you see the one little red bird in the tree? There he is. He does look a little bit like a leaf. I think that's another cardinal. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled. Surprise! Look at that. All the birds are flying away at the same time. If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go. When it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. Sometimes when it's a bright sunny day, you'll see lots and lots of birds outside. And then sometimes when it's a rainy day, you won't see very many birds outside. I like to pretend I am a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. She can do something that a bird can do. Let's see what it is. I can sing. Oh, she can sing like a bird. She can't fly like a bird, but she can sing like a bird. Very cool. Can you sing like a bird? Lots of birds have really pretty songs. All right, we are going to go back to our bird friend now. All right, here we are back with our bird friend now, and I am going to show you our activity this week. So in your storytime bag, you will have a little baggie, and it will have Cheerios, and it will have yarn. And what you're going to do is you're going to string your Cheerios on your yarn, and I've only done a little bit, but you'll want to fill it all the way up with Cheerios. And then you're going to tie it in a knot, and you probably want a grown-up to help you with that. And then you can hang it in a tree, and this is a really nice snack for a bird. They don't want to eat Cheerios all the time, but it's a fun treat for them. So you can hang it in the tree, and you can wait and watch and see if you find any bird friends. You might find a cardinal like this friend, or you might find a different kind of bird. So I would love it if you would tell me if you find any birds and if your birds like the treat that you made them. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me for Online Storytime. It is now time for us to wave and say goodbye. Are you ready? We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and say goodbye. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great day.